Hi, I'm Mia, and welcome to the English Over Coffee podcast. Grab your coffee, settle in, and practice along with me. You're listening to the One Word, Three Meanings series, where we explore English words that have the same spelling and pronunciation, but completely different meanings. In each episode, I'll explain the word clearly, give you real-life examples, and then guide you to repeat and practice. I'll say the sentence first. Then it's your turn to say it out loud. Because practice makes progress. Step by step, sentence by sentence, you'll build confidence and fluency. Together, we will improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills. Let's dive in. Today's word is date. The word date has three common meanings in English. First meaning, a romantic meeting. Listen carefully. I have a date tonight. Now it's your turn. Say it out loud. Repeat. I have a date tonight. Good. Here's another one. He asked her on a date. Now it's your turn. Say it out loud. Repeat. He asked her on a date. In this meaning, date is a romantic meeting between two people. Now, second meaning, a calendar day. Listen. What's the date today? Now it's your turn. Say it out loud. Repeat. What's the date today? Again. The date of the meeting is October 12th. Now it's your turn. Say it out loud. Repeat. The date of the meeting is October 12th. Here, date means a specific day on the calendar. Now, third meaning, a fruit. Yes, a fruit. Listen. Dates are very sweet. Now it's your turn. Say it out loud. Repeat. Dates are very sweet. One more. She bought a box of dates. Now it's your turn. Say it out loud. Repeat. She bought a box of dates. In this case, dates are small, sweet, brown fruits. So how do we know which meaning is correct? Context. If someone says, I have a date, your brain looks at the situation. Are they dressed up for dinner? Are they holding a calendar? Or are they at the grocery store? Same spelling, same pronunciation, different meanings. That's why context is everything in English. And the more you practice listening and repeating, the faster your brain recognizes patterns. This has been English Over Coffee. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.